Hey y'all, I've got some amazing plants that I want to share with you real quickly today. These are elderberry shrubs. These are amazing plants, and let me tell you, when I talk about deer resistance, these have deer resistance, and I have the proof. I've mentioned in several videos, and you can see it in the video we're going to pop up here. The deer came down to have a snack the other night. They went by these, they sniffed them, and they moved right along. They ate some bushes right down the road, right next to them, but they did not touch these, as you can see in the video. Amazing that they sniffed this beautiful foliage and they walked right on by. So if you do suffer from deer in your garden, these are a great option for you. The first one we have is the Lemony lace elderberry, a beautiful chartreuse green. In sun, this will become more yellow, so it's a really, really bright addition to your garden. The other is the black lace elderberry, and as you can see here, this one's getting ready to bloom. It has discs of white flowers. This one's just budded up, getting ready to pop open, and they will have berries toward the end of the season as well for winter. This one, beautiful, beautiful dark foliage. This one gets about 10 feet tall at its maximum. This one about 7 feet. The Lemony lace is about 7 feet at its maximum. I plan to actually plant these with the black in the back and the Lemony lace in the front so that they're stacked on top of one another with a good bit of distance between them so that you can really see this one pop against the black of the black lace. So I really hope you enjoy these if you put them in your garden. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.